Okay, this is a video to show you how to set up your box, your block for Strangle. We have Apple set up here right now, and you see a crossover between the put and the call, so that is actually showing us a signal for Apple going down. Let me double check that, and there you have it. It just dropped. So the put side of the premium here is now showing a profit of 56 compared to minus 34. Our capitalization was 620, and we're right now at a profit of $24. That's on a Strangle with a 120 and a 119 price, strike price. Let's take a look at how we do it with filling out another one. What we want to do first is clear out the box. So once you've closed out your positions on the box, you just delete these boxes here. Then we have our watch list. So we go to what we want to determine to trade, and we're going to trade Home Depot today because it's got a ex-dividend date coming up. So anyway, I've got that set there. So now let's go to Home Depot option chain, which is right here, and I have that set up. So all we need to do is go over into the corner here and click on export, and wouldn't you know, it comes on the other side. Export to Excel. Okay, get this little menu box here, out, and then I come down here, I do data into the data input sheet, and I'll just paste that in. Okay, and I'm going to be using just the December 18 and January, excuse me. And right again, we have it. So current price on Home Depot is current price is 133. So we're going to want to go for long out on the leg. I like going out this way, so I'm going to go to 135, and I want to go to a comparable, so I'll be going to 131, 135. So I copy the bid, and I will be putting that in the premium. That's on the call side. Paste, and I just paste that in to these slots. Okay, and then I come back and I put in premium, and I put in mark. I don't know why that didn't take. Okay, delta should take. I'll go back and try it again. Go back here, delete that, and go back here. Let's copy that. There we go. And then I made a mistake. I put premium, and then because it's the last one, and then prob OTM. That should come up. Did I do it right? Nope. Spelling. There we go. Okay, let's just even those up and square them up. So now you do the same thing for your call sidewalk. Okay, our strike's 135. We're going down to 131. Copying. Let me put my strike in. 135, 131. Dates 11:30. And then I just paste that in. Now, once you do those actions, cancels out the other actions, so you have to do it in flow of what you're doing. There, 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 and there. This one's here I need to get. So we have that, and we have our premium, and then our mark, and we have our delta. You'll notice over on the right hand side I have some instructions right over here. There's your vega. And then also we want to get our prices right, so let's put HT in there, right? And there. And let's get our vega. A little time consuming, but you're going to be setting these up for a period of time, so the effort's worth it, because you'll probably be holding this position. So let's get these straightened up. Okay. Let's get the box fixed. And okay, so there we are. Now let's put in our entry. 128 to 127. Intrinsic is 135, intrinsic's 129 to 129 to 147. So I'm going to drop down in my entry 1.26, and here entry 1.45 reduced cost basis. But typically you would have set this up on a limit order and enter when you are in the trade. But then again, you can also do simulation, as I'm doing right now, so it gives me an idea of the directional on it. Okay, the open on Home Depot didn't pop up, so let's go to caps, see what happens there. Yeah, sometimes you need to go to the capital letters there. Okay, let's take those out. I have a down arrow, so we're down. Okay, then look at what our capitalization is. $542, and right now profit, of course, we're down here -6. But don't forget to put in strangle, and You've got your option change, your net change right there. Your call to premium is minus 25 cents. And here's your current status on the individual trade. Now, jump over here to Apple, and you'll see we're making money on the put side. And let's take a quick look. Like I said, we had Apple going in a trade, and you see it dropped from 119.30 down. You're on the 15-minute. I like to use the 15-minute chart as my baseline. Go up to the 1 hour. Let's see what we got as far as the hour goes. So consolidation right here in the price, resistance right here. So we'll keep an eye on that. Our call IV is 21. Our put is 21 too as well. Not too far off. And out of the money, the out of the money is 62 to 58, so a little higher. Our contract's 200 to 200. It's matched up. And so 400 overall. And our dates are correct. And our profit right now is $20. So in this case, what's nice is you can take your trade individually off the table, take your profit off the table, and then put in a new trade. So to do what I do now, you can see we have the actual dividend is on the first, so that's tomorrow, and we have it dropping. That's what the play is. So we actually wanted to short Home Depot. Okay, data input. Okay, there's your data input. So now I have done here, I have an option chain set up with December. Actually, it's December and January. You can't see it, but it's December. So now I just create a new sheet, and I'll name it HD op chain. So I have my data resource. So I come back here, and I take this data that I want to keep, and I'll put it back in here. So I have a resource to juggle with later on if I want to change my strike price. Okay, that's pretty much how it goes. So now here we have snapshots, and we have to update these because they're, let me see, this is to an Apple HD. So this is, this is A, B, which are not filled in. Here's Apple, and here's Home Depot. So you have your snapshots available. So if you just want to take a quick look at where the call and put are at, you can just go to the snapshot page, and that'll show you. And it looks that this is a better configuration, and I should do a video on the configuration of the lines on the optics. And then my value isn't complete because it's tied in with these two boxes here, but cost basis right now is $1,999. So there you go. Okay. Good luck trading.